In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a poll on Mailerlite, a step-by-step guide for 2025. Setting up a poll within your email campaigns is a fantastic way to engage with your audience and gather valuable feedback. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Mailerlite website. If you haven't already signed up or logged in, now's a good time to do so. Click on the login button to access your account. For a quicker sign-in process, you can choose the Sign In with Google option, which simplifies the task if you prefer not to remember yet another password. Once you're logged in and on the Mailerlite dashboard, navigate to the Campaigns tab. This is where the magic happens. Click on Campaigns and then choose Create Campaign. This will kick off the process of setting up a new email campaign that will include your poll. Next, you'll want to select the type of campaign you're going to create. Choose Regular Campaign for this purpose. Now it's time to give your campaign an identity. Enter a campaign name that makes it easily identifiable later on. Similarly, type in a catchy and informative subject line. This subject line should entice your readers to open the email. Next up, you'll need to select your audience, click on Click to add your recipients, and then for the widest reach, choose all active subscribers. After doing this, simply click on Select to confirm your choice of recipients. Now we move on to the fun part, crafting your email content. Click on Next Content to proceed. Within this section, look out for the Survey and Quizzes option. Select this as it will allow you to seamlessly incorporate a poll into your email. Mailerlite offers a variety of templates designed to engage your audience. Browse through these options and pick the one that best suits the theme of your poll. Once you find a suitable template, click on Choose to start customizing it. Now that you've chosen a template, it's time to make it your own. Edit the template to fit your poll, adjusting the text and fields according to the questions you wish to ask. Use this opportunity to align the design with your brand's aesthetic, ensuring that your poll is both visually appealing and straightforward to complete. After you're satisfied with the setup of your poll, click on Done Editing. Your poll is now ready to be part of your email campaign. The final step is simple but crucial. Click on Send to dispatch your email campaign to your subscribers. This will open the door to valuable feedback from your audience, and there you have it. You've successfully created and sent a poll using Mailerlite. Engaging with your audience has never been easier. Whether you're testing new ideas, gathering opinions, or just looking to interact more with your subscribers, polls can be an incredibly effective tool. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.